Welcome to this Storylines tutorial. Today I will show you how to navigate our comprehensive API documentation to find exactly what you need. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering the docs will accelerate your development process. First, let's access the API documentation. Open your browser and go to docs.storylineads.com. This is our official API documentation portal. You can also access it directly from your Storylinez dashboard by clicking on the developer guide section in your settings, then clicking the API documentation link. The documentation is organized into clear sections that make it easy to find what you are looking for. Whether you need authentication details, endpoint reference, or code examples, the documentation is organized into several main sections. First, you will see the Getting Started section, which covers authentication and basic setup. This is perfect for newcomers. Next is the API reference section, which contains detailed information about every endpoint, including parameters, response formats, and example requests. Let's start with authentication. Click on the authentication section in the sidebar. Here you will find detailed information about API key authentication, including how to include your credentials in request. The documentation shows you exactly how to format your requests. For header authentication, you will use the authentication header with your API key. Now let's explore the API endpoints. Click on API reference in the sidebar to see all the available endpoints organized by category. The endpoints are grouped logically: user management for account and profile operations, projects for creating and managing your content projects, content generation for creating storyboards, scripts, and narratives, media management for uploading, searching, and managing media files, rendering for converting your content into final videos. Let's look at the project section as an example. Click on projects to expand it. You will see all the project related endpoints like create project, list projects, get project details, and update project. Click on create project to see a detailed endpoint page. This shows you everything you need to know. First, you will see the HTTP method and URL. In this case, it's a post request to the project's endpoint. Next, you will see the request parameters. These are divided into required parameters, which you must include, and optional parameters, which you can include for additional functionality. Each parameter shows the parameter name, the data type, string, number, boolean, etc. A description of what it does, whether it's required or optional. Scroll down to see example request. These show you exactly how to format your API calls in different programming languages. You will see examples for C, URL, Python, JavaScript, and other popular languages. The documentation lists all the possible error code and their meaning. That's how you navigate the Storylinez API documentation. With this knowledge, you will be able to quickly find the information you need and build amazing application with our platform. Thanks for watching.